Cupcakes are always a crowd pleaser, and this batch will get extra cheers because the sweet stuff is inside and out. Ashley Mitchell joins me with fun ways to dress up a very simple Halloween cupcake. Specifically today, a white chocolate raspberry cupcake that sounds like something you would find on a bakery menu. Ashley, it's great to meet you. Great to have you.
Great to meet you too.
I have to ask, you went with a pastel theme, I noticed. How come?
I love Halloween, but I'm kind of a big scaredy cat.
I'm with you.
I like things to be a little bit softer and not as scary looking, so I thought doing pastels would be a fun way to bring the classic Halloween, but also make it look kind of fun and more inviting.
Listen, I'm glad you're here. Strength in numbers. I've been accused this week of being a Halloween Grinch, which is not true, but I do find myself very drawn to these cute pink ghosts and mummies, and then the raspberry chocolate just sounds amazing. You're going to show us how to do this, and you say the average at-home cupcake aspiring cupcake decorator can do this?
Yes, oh for sure.
Okay. Should we start with the raspberry chocolate?
Yes, so what we'll do, so we need to core out the middle. So there's a lot of different tools that you can buy to do this, but I find that it's easiest just to use like a little steak knife. So something you have at home.
Little center pocket.
So yeah, and I like to make it kind of big because the more filling, the better.
See, I like you. I also like the ratio of frosting to cupcakes.
Yes.
So you're getting my votes all around.
Some people aren't frosting people, but I definitely am.
Anything special to this raspberry filling?
No, it's just a super easy recipe to make. And it's kind of on the thicker side, but it holds up really well. Yeah, so you can just fill the inside. And then we'll take this darker pink, which is the white chocolate
with the hugest piping tip I've ever seen.
I know, it's a big one, but it gets a really fun look. So
I need this.
I love them. So then we'll just swirl around.
Oh my gosh, this is where my hands start to sweat a little bit.
I know, right?
Palms. Okay, where's our mountain? Where's our mountain? There it is. Okay.
And then I just have these fun little Halloween sprinkles. We can do it over. So
look how cute. And somehow the black, white, and orange works with pink.
I know.
I don't know why, but it does.
Yes, you can
it totally does.
There. Yeah.
Cutest.
Great.
Okay, mummy next.
Yes. So we have. This is like a petal tip that people use for like cookies a lot of times.
I know. I'm just kidding. Is that meant to be blood?
What? Oh no.
No.
Okay.
No, it's just.
I thought that though. I was like, oh.
I was like, did my cute girl just go creepy on me?
No.
Okay, no, it's just raspberry filling.
Yes, it's just raspberry.
Whew, okay, you're staying in my lane.
Okay, so then you kind of want, there's like a sharper edge and then a more rounded. So you want the sharper one to be on the top. So it has kind of like a raw edge. So
I should
hold it.
I should get busy, Brooke. Okay.
So then, actually, before we do that, I forgot. We'll take our white one and just do a little swirl around so it kind of has some height.
Oh yeah, it's like our little foundation.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And then we'll go in with this one.
This big piping tip makes me feel like a boss. I feel in control.
Yes, they're so fun, right?
Okay, and just drape
and then just go all over just to make it look like it's a little wrapped mummy. It can be as crazy as you want.
We've been watching some mummy show on Disney Plus that my kids are really into, and my husband just devastated my 5-year-old the other day by saying, he said something about mummies aren't real people. He goes, well, yeah, they are. And I was like, don't go down that lane.
Like, that's not a good idea.
Now my 5-year-old's up with mummy nightmares.
Funny.
Okay, look at that. Just kind of wrap him any which way.
Yes, and then you can we'll take these bigger eyes.
I need to cover
and just put them on. Yeah.
Cute.
And then I usually go over it, one more time just to kind of like cover the eyes to look like they're popping out.
Hey, that's adorable.
Of the mummy.
Got to get your eyes early, right? They'll start to fly off the Halloween shelves. All right, about a minute left. Can you show me our ghost friend?
Yes, so our ghost, it's super easy. We're just going to take the white on the chocolate cupcake and just make really big little like tufts kind of. Okay. And just layer them up.
Just let it go. Oh, we're layering the frosting. Yes. See, this is how I like to eat my cupcakes.
And then with the last one, kind of just pull it up on the top.
This is how I like to eat my frosting, with a side of cupcake. Okay.
And then take your little eyes and just plop them on.
So cute, Ashley.
They're super fun and easy.
All right, you make cupcakes, you sell cupcakes. How can we follow along on all of your darling design creations? You can follow me on Instagram at Tiny Bird Bake Shop. Okay. And that's where I do all of my ordering and have all my pictures of cupcakes. I'm sure Halloween's busy because this is a quintessential Halloween treat. Yes, it's perfect. So get your orders in soon. Tiny Bird Bakery. Yes, Tiny Bird Bake Shop. Yes. Tiny Bird Bake Shop. Thanks for sharing your talents. Thank you. And thanks for going pink with me. Oh, of course. There's multiple ways to celebrate Halloween. Thank you very much. I hope my producers are listening.